Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking a crisp Virat Kohli clip, or GIF, so the wallpaper looks sharp. 1080p avoids pixelation. Once you have the file, open the live wallpaper app you installed and grant storage and wallpaper permissions so the app can access media and set backgrounds. As you proceed, tap Add or Create New Wallpaper and navigate to the folder with your file. Make sure to choose the exact clip segment you want before moving on to editing settings. Once done with file selection, trim the clip to a 10 to 30 second loop so playback is seamless and doesn't drain resources. Next, set scaling to fit or crop depending on your screen aspect ratio, and preview the parallax or parallax off option to see how it reacts when you swipe home screens. Also enable mute for videos with audio, and turn on loop, plus any battery saver frame rate cap to balance smoothness and power use before applying the wall. You now finalize by tapping Apply or Set Wallpaper and choosing Home, Lock, or both so the preview becomes your active background. If the image fails to appear immediately, force stop the wallpaper app or reboot the phone to reload the wallpaper service. This fixes most permission or cache hiccups. Finally, if playback stutters or the battery drains quickly, reduce the clip to 720p or enable the app's battery saver /low frame option and reapply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.